If your Microsoft Edge browsing history keeps disappearing every time you close the browser, this video is going to help you fix that in just a minute. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to prevent Edge from clearing your browsing history when you close it, so your recently visited websites stay saved the way you want. This is really useful if you want easier access to your past tabs, websites, and searches without having to remember everything manually. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, go down and click Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can control how Edge behaves. On the left side of the settings screen, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is the section that contains your browsing data and security options, so this is where we need to make the change. Now scroll down until you find the section called Clear Browsing Data. In that area, look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data on Close. Click it to open the list of data types that Edge can automatically remove when you close the browser. Here you'll see options like browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data. To stop Edge from deleting your history, simply toggle off browsing history. Once that switch is turned off, Edge will no longer clear your browsing history automatically when you close the browser. If you want, you can leave other options on or off depending on your preference, but turning off browsing history is the key step here. After that, you can close the Settings tab and your change will be saved automatically. Now when you browse websites and close Microsoft Edge, your browsing history should remain available instead of being wiped every time. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you use Edge every day and want faster access to your recent activity. If this tutorial solved your issue, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.